Derek Franco here from Badger Truck Center in West Allis, Wisconsin. Just want to shoot a quick video on this 2019 Ford F250 XLT trim. As you can see, it has a 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is a crew cab, also a 4x4. Has just under 15,500 miles. Comes equipped with remote start, backup camera, power windows, power locks, power seats. Take a quick look on the inside here. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact me. Again, my name is Derek Franco at 414-934-5523.